Alrighty, so we just got back from a pretty crazy weekend. Dad took me and a few of my mates up to a bit more remote country chasing some better fish. On that trip, we had a pretty crazy encounter. We had a little humpback whale that swam past us, but I was lucky enough to get some footage of him. Don't stress, we know the rules. We know that we're not allowed to approach him 300 metres from the front and 120 from the side. But he wasn't stressed at all. He just swam past and he was on his way. Now, with that being said, hope you enjoy the video. So we just picked up some last minute things from Tackle World. Now we're ready to hit the road.
Yep. Go meet up with Sammy and Braid, are just outside of town waiting for us.
Yep.
Get on out of here.
Yeah, nah, proper keen for this weekend.
Yep.
Hopefully find some good fish and find some good crabs.
Ruger's scored, he's on another camping trip.
Yeah.
He'll be happy.
Just back there, I don't know if you can see. Oh. Get this puppy calm now.
There we go. We're underway.
Are we ready?
Psychosomatic society, under the pressure to deliver quality. I ain't got perfect geometry, but I am certain I'm determined to be me. Cut through the noise, ignore the static. Don't need a reason to be over diplomatic. I'm sensitive, I'm empathetic. That doesn't mean I'm automatically a target. Yeah, I'm a queen, got a treasure in my chest. Yes, 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 and it's gold. I guarantee I don't need a pretty dress to manifest my own word. Spiritual gangster, juice up the models, color me bad. I'm optimistic that we don't gotta be sad. Digital doctors are just a fad. Yeah, my IQ is more value than RG swag. My friends are treasures, they keep me sane. We ride or die, spit like us like and be insane. Yeah, I take pleasure in the mundane. I'm such a sucker for sunsets and video games. Yeah, I'm a queen, got a treasure in my chest. Yes, 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 and it's gold. I guarantee I don't need a pretty dress to manifest my own word. Yeah, I'm a queen, got a treasure in my chest. Yes, 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 and it's gold. I guarantee I don't need a pretty dress to manifest my own world. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. Yeah. I put the freak in the frequencies, the eye in the mind, the matter in dark holes that travel through time. I put the why in my energy. Why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I? Yeah, I'm a queen, got a treasure in my chest. Yes, 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 and it's gold. I guarantee I don't need a pretty dress to manifest my own word. Yeah, I am me, got a treasure in my chest. Yes, 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 and it's gold. I'm a queen, I don't need a pretty dress to manifest my own world. Spiritual gangster.
Alrighty, so we've made it to camp. Just got here, setting everything up now. And then after we've done all that, we'll set up the crab pots and go dump up the creek and hopefully find some crabs, and then probably go for a flick around for a bit. Alrighty, so crab pots are sorted. ready to go. Gonna go cruise up one of these little creeks up here, go dump and go for a cruise out the front and go for a dive.
Captain Semi in the steady fast.
But hopefully the is clear. Looks pretty good on the creek. But
Oh, I'm loving it.
yeah.
We'll get some pots in the water and then we're going to go for a run out the front and go and see if we can't find somewhere that's nice and clear to go for a swim.
Yeah.
Have they met Seb yet?
What's going on?
That's Seb.
Yeah. Get back in the boat. Get him in the boat. Just a quick safety share here. Don't ever ride on the nose of your boat, especially if you're about to send it up a little creek like this one with sandbars everywhere. You tag one, you'll be straight off the nose of the boat will be over the top of you before the driver can do anything about it.
Cause if you're happy and you know where your face will surely show it when that energy is flowing. Yeah, and everyone will know it. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Surely show it when that energy is flowing. Yeah, and everyone will know it. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. The sun is always shining on my side of the street. Clapping everywhere I'm going. Clap with everyone I meet. I'm happy and I know it. So happy, don't you know? And now the dopamine is flowing. And now everybody knows. Cause if you're happy and you know where your face will surely show it when that energy is flowing. Yeah, and everyone will know it. Clap your hands.
Alright, first pot's underway. Yep, fire it in. Did ya? It's a big boat, a little creek day.
So we've set all the pots out. We're slowly just making our way up the coast, trying to find some clear water, and it's not looking like how we wanted it to be. So,
Oh, we're ready. Alright, boys are suiting up. Get ready to get in. Sun's getting a bit low in the sky, but we found some good stuff. Hopefully they can find something down there. It looks pretty good and it's in a pretty isolated place. So fingers crossed. Kids in there. The reefs out the front of the creek were fogged in with bad viz and undivable. With green zones to the north of us, we turned around and headed back down south to a mark we'd been given and managed to stumble onto some great ground. Didn't take long for Jack to find a nice little sweet lip. Awesome watching this here as he just slides with a swell and nails a shot. The boys are under strict instructions too. We hadn't actually bought any meat with us, but we had plenty of stuff for fish tacos and fish curry, but the main thing we needed was fish. So as they got in the water, they were told not to let anything swim by until we had dinner sorted out. Oh, nice, grassy. Where's Sebby's at? Oh, yeah. Good fish, mate. Grassy.
There's my GoPro off.
I can't see. Oh, just had a bit of a drift with a prawn while the boys are doing their thing. What have I got? It feels like a cod. Doesn't want to do anything. Oh, look at that little cod.
Do you want to go ahead?
Where? There it is.
Yeah, good. Just go down here. Couple of more.
See you, buddy. Oh, it was good.
Yeah, copy that. He said target.
I've just done a braid. Braid's an expert at catching. Hang on a sec. Braden's an expert on catching cod while we're diving. Some great spearfishing here by Jack, as you see him just sink down to the bottom, find himself a nice little hidey hole. And this cod can't help but be inquisitive and come over for a look, and makes the shot all too easy for him. Nice work, mate. Bit of a proud dad moment there.
Hi.
Close with it. Show us what he got. Nice cod.
Oh, he's got a finger. Oh, yeah. Did you see that?
No. Seb had been pretty quiet up until this point, but that was all about to change when this guy turned up. Cool as Seb's left the surface, dropped down, and almost on cue, the Mackie's come back around and presented him with a beautiful shot. And Seb didn't muck around and put it right bang on target. Seb got so excited with his shot, he came up telling us he'd learn a whole new language. What'd you learn, Seb?
Spanish! Spanish!
Si, senor.
Yep.
Young fella's in for a on for a Spanish.
Am I filming?
Yep. Even though Seb's shot was pretty much perfect, the fish still had a fair bit of go left in it. For anyone wondering, we aim for those mackerel between the pectoral and anal fin because it's the best holding shot you can put on the fish. They're quite a soft fish, and if you shoot them further forward and end up with a gut shot, they can tear out rather easily.
He's going for a run. Yeah, yeah, he's taking my gun. Yeah.
By the time I sorted out a second gun for Seb, Jack already had the fish in his hands.
Yeah! Hey, take this gun.
Hold him up, Jack! Seb, you ledge! Filming with the GoPros can get really frustrating sometimes. No idea why, but for some reason Jack's camera decided to turn itself over onto a time-lapse sequence when he first turned his camera back on and jumped in the water next to Seb with the fish. So as he dove down to get some great underwater shots of Seb's fish, all we got was a couple of still frames off the time-lapse. Good fish, mate. Woo! And all of a sudden the trip's worth it, all in one shot. Dude, nice fish. That's a cracker, mate. So tell us what happened with him.
I dropped down to the bottom for another drop, and then I seen a bit of light on the just above me on the bottom, and I thought it was a backfeeder at first. He's swimming at me like this, with his head pointing at me, and then he turned to the side, and I saw colour of him, and lined up the shot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Perfect shot too. Spined him and all.
Yeah, fuck
Awesome. Jack was able to go over and pick him up off the bottom.
yeah. Yeah.
Well, Jack's done alright. Like, we got to this spot real late. The boys only, I think he's been diving 20 minutes.
Yeah, like half an hour.
Yeah.
Or something, yeah.
And yeah, they've got a good feed of fish, so we'll leave this spot alone. We'll come back tomorrow. It's starting to get a little bit late in the day to be diving reefs we don't know. So, don't know what the locals are like. So, alright, we got some photos of the boys. We'll get on.
Yeah.
That's right, we'll just chuck him in the tank anyway. Oh, just leave him on the deck there somewhere. Fire time. When we first arrived back at camp, we decided to tell Sam and Braid that we'd got nothing and we're going hungry for the night. Get a photo with the drone. After a bit, Seb pulled his fish out the box for some photos, and then Sam finally realised. Hate you guys.
Nice work, boys. Turned up that.
Seb. Jack shot it. Yeah, Jack shot a cod in the grassy.
Good on you, boys, eh?
Well, we thought we're done for. Every spot we stopped at had bad viz. Went to this one and buddy, yeah, it was awesome. 20 minutes diving. Quick drone inspection, as you've seen in the edit, Jack had just crashed it into a tree. Nice work, Seb. Look at that. Hell yeah. Get a photo from the drone, Jack. Stop crashing it into shit.
You do this, that's why.
No, come on, hurry up, you gotta learn.
Yeah, you need to.
So we've had a pretty successful little afternoon. Seb's donned himself a donkey of a Spanish. It's his first one.
Yeah.
Pretty happy about that. We didn't have a lot of diving, but it was a quick little mission. Jack did well, got himself a nice spangled and, well, spangled or sweetie, sorry. Nice sweetie and a cod. And now we're gonna, just got back to camp after we kissed the sandbar on the way back through. That was fun. But I'm just going to do up now. Last year when we camped at this spot, we did some fish tacos up with a trout, but we're going to do it up with some mackerel this time. So, I don't know, have you cleaned your mackerel yet?
No, I'm about to go do it.
Seb's got to go and take fillets off his mackerel because it's too big to fit in any eskies we've got. So, that's a terrible problem to have. But now we're just doing some salsa up. Throw a bit of a time lapse down and we'll see how we go.
When you want to get off that darkest ground,
Price is good actually.
the gravity pulls you straight down.
On proper.
All that back.
Earth from a bird's eye view.
See.
You should grow feathers and say this too.
Alright, dude.
Have a crack.
When you
Got a
want
sweet
to
one,
get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
How is it?
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
It's been a good first day on the trip. Well, Seb's fed everyone. He's struggling over here with his taco.
Emery seems a bit happy with it falling down.
Roogs has decided Seb's his new best friend.
After doing his biscuit.
Yeah. But we're going to sign off now with everyone, buddy. Get a feed into us and chill out for a bit. Get up in the morning and get our dive on, hopefully. Getting geared up for another morning now. A little bit of wind this morning, but it's offshore, so that may aid our situation a little bit. Fingers crossed it clears the water up. Got Jack back on board, and Jack. Get it sorted. Jack, do you want to put your cod frame away? One of his fishies from yesterday. Yeah, it was a bit of a hack for you. Alrighty.
So, day 2. Gonna go back to the same spot from yesterday. Hopefully find another Spanish or a nice big tusky. Hopefully. And then, yeah. I think we're leaving soon. So,
That morning on the way back down the coast to our spot, one thing was worrying me. Jack had been stewing all night that Seb had got a Spanish yesterday and that he didn't. And I knew that he was going to let good fish swim past him all morning until he got himself a Spanish. Thank God we didn't have to wait too long. About a minute and a half after Jack got in the water, this happened. Jack's on a Spanish. Seb got one late yesterday afternoon. Jack's been stewing on it all night. Now he's onto him. Spanish. Hold on, stay there. Holy shit. I think this is the first time Jack's experienced being actually towed through the water by a fish. Pretty exciting for him, and he had no choice because he was starting to run out of line on his reel gun. I'm nearly out of line. Once the fish had finally calmed down, Jack handed his gun over to Rolly and started to climb down the line in search of the fish. Jack shot a big Spanish. He's nearly at him now. I think he's got him. Can only imagine how excited Jack was as he finally got into view of the mackerel. He would have been stoked at this stage. There's his spear. And his shot was perfect, right between the dorsal and anal fin. Might lose a little bit of meat shooting them there, but at least it's a good holding shot that takes out a fair bit of their power too. Yeah, boy.
There's no spear in him.
Isn't there?
Is that mckeral?
Is it? Yeah.
Oh no, it is.
Hang on, hold it back.
Buddy, that's how close you got come to getting spooled. Hold him up out that side, mate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tell us what happened.
Oh. Yeah, he ate a piece of crab.
Oh, did he?
That's what brought it in.
We got a big feed of sand crabs last weekend, and a few bits and pieces that were left from it we brought out for Burley today. The boys had just got in the water. I just dropped a couple of pieces of crab in for Jack. This guy come up eating it. Wow.
Holy, that's crazy.
And
First dive.
that's how close he come to getting spooled on the reel.
Holy shit.
Unfortunately, he wasn't filming for the shot.
It was my first dive straight in the water, and didn't think about it. I wasn't filming or anything. And I just crushed up a heap of crabs in my hand and turned around, and this dude come in like a rocket, and he ate one of the crabs and he looked at me. Like,
Nice.
yeah, it's crazy.
Good stuff. All right, we got to get back to the other boys.
Yep.
Going all the way.
I had my wings tied to the ground, but now I dream up in the clouds. I hold my feet, don't fail me now. I had my mind stuck in a cage. I hope that there might come a day I wasn't made for second place. Going all the way, going all the way, going all the way, going all the way up. Going all the way, going all the way, going, going, going all the way. Going all the way, going all the way up. Going, going, going all the way. I saw my life in black and white, a golden ticket passing by. I kept my broken heart alive. So you can say I'm living proof, taking aim right at the moon. I'll be your hero, win or lose. Going all the way, going all the way, going all the way, going all the way up. Going all the way, going all the way, going, going, going all the way. Going all the way, going all the way up. Going, going, going all the way. From the rooftop to the stars, up the Sunset Boulevard. From the small towns, here we are. No one ever thought that we could make it this far. Going, going, going all the way. Going all the way, going all the way up. Going, going, going all the way.
For anyone wondering about some of the footage in that edit, that was actually a young humpback whale come past while we were diving. This is what it looked like from the boat. Whale's coming! And here's some footage that Jack managed to capture before he turned his GoPro off, thinking he wasn't filming. Well, it's time for us to head on home and go and check some crab pots. In the meantime, we'll check in on Sam and Braid and see what they've been up to for the day.
Hey Sam.
How you ever go at it? Second cast.
Got a nice size flathead.
We'll check him out here in a minute. Put him on the measure, see if he's good. He's a bit small to probably keep anyway, I think.
Yeah, but he's not as wide as Jack's one. Yeah.
Alright, what do you reckon, mate? You think we found the mud crab? You reckon you can get it?
Yeah.
So what are you going to use?
Here.
Mangrove reed. Where is he?
Right here.
Right there. Let's see if we can see him, eh?
Yeah, I'll move this out of the way.
Oh yeah, there he is down there.
Come on.
Man, that's good eyes to find that, brother. Whoa!
You can grab it.
Alright. Oh, that's huge. Oh, we'll have another go. Braid. Braid.
There might be another mud crab in there.
You're kidding. Hey? Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to put it on the measure.
Yep.
Go put it on the measure. That's epic. We were just walking along the bank and we had the rods out and Braid's nearly stood on it and goes, there's a bloody muddy hide in there.
Go.
Alright mate, let him go.
Alrighty.
Mate, that's epic.
Hey bro, you want your claw back? There you go.
What do you think of that, mate? By hand.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, just claw off in there. Yeah, he's absolutely an old one, isn't he?
He's an old boy. Half a centimetre undersized, mate, eh?
Yeah.
No good.
Yeah, they'll point in, but look good.
We'll find a new home, mate. Look at him. They blend in well.
Cost 2.
I reckon big flathead in the creek or what? Is that cheating if you catch a flathead in a cast net?
I don't know.
Oh, see all the prawns jumping off it.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright, we got some fishies.
Yep.
We've got some fishies. Alright, we got quite a few. We're getting a good little stash of
Mullet.
mullet there, bud. We'll be able to keep them alive in the live bait tank. And then tonight we can soak them and see what we catch.
There we go. There's one. Oh, and a jelly prawn. Should we throw that guy in? That jelly prawn?
Yeah, if they're big enough to put a hook in, mate, yeah. Those little brim out the front of camp will be fun on the light and stuff.
Yeah. Right, this guy's too small. Chuck you back. Oh, nice. Oh, we got a massive jelly prawn. Right there.
Any bigger, we'll cook him up, you reckon, or what?
Ooh.
Alright, let's try a new spot.
Yeah, we're getting smashed by mozzies here, aren't we?
Yeah, the midges, sandflies.
What is he?
Mullet.
Mullet? Yeah.
Hey, probably the luckiest mullet in Queensland, I'd reckon.
Well, it's the luckiest mullet that we've caught so far.
What are you thinking, mate? You like this spot here?
Yeah. Try this spot.
Hopefully I don't catch the trees.
Once Sam and Braid had finished gathering some bait for the evening fish, they joined us for a run up the creek to go and check the pots. As usual, we've got the Mudzilla crab measure. Finally remembered to bring it this time. We can flip him out in that box if you want.
Yeah.
What do you got? One keeper?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a win. We got one here. We're going to measure once Jack finishes playing with him.
Not good, Dad.
5 mil. Sorry, buddy. Hold on. back from checking crab pots. Got one legal one. Nothing to write home about, but that's still a result. But gonna go up now and cook us some fish curry. Keen on that, Brain?
Yeah.
It's not bad, eh? Yeah. So, bit of mackerel and fish curry. Jack and the boys are gonna go for a run in his little boat. So, boys have just had enough, they're just camped up at the moment. We got another boat. He's just fishing down the other side here. Yeah, it's been a nice day. Jack was pretty happy to get his mackerel, so he's still carrying on about it. But nah, it's been a fat time. Loving it, just chilling back now. Might put the drone up soon and get a few sunset shots. Alrighty, have fun. I'll see you when we're cooking some stuff.
Set my sails and wait for the wind to blow. I scatter the miles, still finding my way to go. Close your eyes and chase what you see. Rest of our days, no more losing sleep. No matter where we go, this feel like home, we're right where we belong. You make this feel like home.
Obviously we haven't got hungry this trip, so that's a quarter of the fillet off Jack's fish. Nice chunky spanos, I reckon both from, well, Jack's should be around about the 13 kilo mark. Sorry, Seb's should have been around about the 13 kilo mark. I think Jack's one might have been just smaller. So we're gonna make up a fish curry tonight. Onions, chili, capsicum, a couple of different colours to make it look pretty. Some red Thai chili paste, I think that's what it's called, curry paste, sorry. And coconut milk. That's all we need, I reckon, anyhow. So we'll cook it up and see what the kids reckon of it this afternoon, or tonight when they get back. They've gone for a run up the tinny, you know, and try and catch some flathead. Of course, wasn't enough to be out in the boat all day diving. Pretty nice area, but we find ourselves stuck in here. We didn't have too much success on the mud crabs. Sammy managed to get one, Sam and Braid. They've been team steadfast for the weekend. If you're wondering, is the name of Sam's boat. I'm sure you've seen once or twice by now in the video. But see how we go getting all this cut up. Lucky the camping table doubles as a cutting board. Because unfortunately my cutting board isn't quite mackerel compatible.
We reckon start shooting smaller fish?
Yeah, I'll have to have a chat to the boys. This whole shooting big mackerel thing, and we can't even fit them in the esky. Luckily it's in the middle of winter here, and we've been able just to put them in large plastic bags and fill them with ice. Keep them in the boat that way. Because we have to work out, I think in future we'll have to bring our cooler bag with us. Rube's favourite mackerel skin. Probably some rule about no pets in the kitchen, but I think he's half human, he speaks English. He doesn't speak English, he understands it, but don't you, Dopey? So now we've got to add some chili paste. After we get the onions cooking a little bit, we'll get a proper amount in there. Soup it right up for the boys. Don't even know if all our mackerel are going to fit in the pot. It's a fair bit.
I'm happy with more fry pans, but not big.
There we go. Trying to feed 7 people tonight. Not just 7 people, 7 boys.
Hungry boys.
Yep. No, they got a right to be hungry. Been diving all day and they still haven't stopped. Brade's been chasing mud crabs around. I'm gonna fill this up real quick. Yeah, we might be out of room.
I won't lie. That looks awesome.
It'll get better. I think I might need some more curry paste.
There's a lot of fish there, bud.
Yeah.
That's a lot of fish.
You alright? A jar. You need a jar.
Talk him into it.
So there we go. We've got to wait for
View.
wait for the boys to come back down.
Delicious.
Don't know where they are.
They're not in the creek anymore, but
Where'd they go?
they went that way.
I've got
Oh,
another
did
cooker
they?
if you want
Yeah.
to cook rice on another cooker.
Oh,
It's already going.
over here.
That's where we're at.
Yep.
I get all the important jobs, eh?
Done with that rice.
That one,
Yeah. Precise measurements are always important.
2 to the dollar.
Love it. Fish curry. It's actually not that hard to make.
It looks awesome.
Yeah. Tastes alright, Andrew?
Oh, fresh finished mackerel curried.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's all too easy to do
I
too.
haven't done many curries. I didn't even know how to cook rice, eh? So let's have a crack at this.
Yeah. Like Sam's 3rd time cooking rice.
Maybe second.
Yep. The goer.
Yeah, that's a good, eh?
Sam's wife just replied after he told her he was learning to cook rice. She's like, just use the microwave.
Yeah, so next time we come and camp and we're bringing a microwave.
So not a bad way to finish off the evening. Fish curry around the fire. Pretty easy to take, isn't it, Brain?
Yeah.
Curry was a hit with the boys, they ended up coming back for seconds and cleaned us out. After dinner, Sammy decided to cook up our only mud crab for dessert.
He's been put to sleep. It's definitely not going.
Sam just learned how to put him to sleep.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
Let him try a little bit on top, maybe.
Probably slipping in about.
Time's up. Pull him off.
That looks awesome, eh? Alright, let him
The
cool
crab
down.
turned out delicious, but by the time the taste test came, the cameras have been put away for the night. The boys bring their boat back late last night. Left it tied up on the anchor on the bank, so they just had to go and float it again. Quite proud of themselves now. But I was showing you how we anchor ours while we can. Just big dirty sand anchor out the front. Run into a tail rope up on the beach. If you've got a couple of boats anchored, it makes life a lot easier so they don't swing around. It's a pretty good anchoring spot this, but we don't have too much current running past here. Ordinarily, if we're just on our own, I don't normally worry about it, but when you've got several boats, like we do here, makes life a lot easier. But I think we're just going to have some brekkie now, get sorted out, and then go and have a look for some flatties. Weather's a bit too dicey to go running back out the front again, but we had it sorted out. Bit of a play-up night last night, so camp looks like a bomb went off. But Sam's got some fuel cooking already.
Can't wait.
Get a feed into us and get some life back into us. We'll be away. Where's Braid? I'd say that's either Ruger or Braid. We'll let Rugs out. Morning. Come on, Rugs. Rugs. Come on, buddy. Finally underway for the morning, we decided we'd go out and chase some flatties. We even decided we'd have a little bit of an unofficial competition. Mind you, no one was real clear on the rules. Yeah.
Good fish.
That's a good fish. Needs a proper one. I'm just saying, I haven't got any good ones. Where's that? Oh! Come here, buddy. Do we let him go? I reckon so, yeah. We've got enough for a feed for the day. We better measure him. You hold that one for me, buddy. 60, nice. Phew, gotta love that. Ready, Jack? I reckon that'll take some beat for the boys. They probably won't believe us till they actually see the footage. You ready, mate? Hey, what are the rules for the Flatty Classic? We're gonna have biggest fish or most fish?
Oh, tricky question.
Yeah. The boys all want to go biggest.
I reckon the most.
The most, you reckon?
On point.
On points?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm a firm supporter of biggest.
Well, we can have two prizes, do you think?
I guess so. I've already got a 60 centimetre. Yeah.
Oh, good on you. Well, you're probably going to take that prize then.
Yeah, I haven't told Sam yet. I'll go and get him to agree to biggest fish first. I'll just make up my own rules as we go along.
Oh, you can.
Yeah. That's like, well, that's it. Well, we didn't actually agree on anything before we set off.
You've got to catch a flathead to make it a competition.
Well, that's it.
I haven't caught one yet.
I know Sam's got one. After chasing flatties for a couple of hours, and we ended up catching a few fish. We got that 160, and Sam and Braid ended up getting another 4 fish. The boys decided before we pack up camp that it was time to dust off the surfboard and go for a bit of a scurf.
Playing tricks with the magic man, making fire out of nothing. I'm awakened, pick up the world like Hercules, glistening. We're all about to get free. Believe you'll see. Don't have time for sleep because I'm wide awake, out in the atmosphere. Each sound I make is ringing loud and clear. Up all night, too busy following the fire. It's so alive. 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 Sunrise in my hand, time traveling, stars are glowing red. I'm flipping kicks like Karate Kid, lightning strong. Don't fight it. My hands are free to join in the stampede, and every sound I make is busting at the seams because I'm wide awake and floating through a dream. We're staying up all night, too busy following the fire. It's so alive. 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 It's so alive.
This time of the trip, pack up, we got to get all that shit into there. So this should be interesting. Well, that was easier than I thought. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah.
We've already lost a few boys. Seb had to go and fix his what was it? Alternator. And Andrew just wanted to get home early. But it was a pretty good trip.
Yeah.
I had fun.
No,
Yep. Jack speared his PB mackerel.
Yeah, no, it was good.
Rolly got himself a tusk fish.
Good to see.
Yep. Couldn't find him a mackerel, but we'll work on that for the next trip. Gives us something to look forward to. But yeah, it's not a bad place, this.
Magic.
Pretty easy to put up with.
Yeah.
So,
You gonna tell them where it is?
nah.
Nah.
They can guess.
Nah.
If you've watched other videos, you might be able to guess where this is. So, yeah, it's the same spot. So, 10 points to anyone that can guess. Alrighty, we'll leave it there. It's been a fun one. We've still got to get back to the ramp and then get home. So, we've still got a couple of hours work left to do. Alright, have fun. Stay safe. We'll see you next time.
Alrighty, so when you're leaving, just want to make sure that you always leave the place cleaner than you found it.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like